today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Sichuan dish.
We'll be making 番茄虾蛋, or stir-fried tomatoes and scrambled eggs.
It's a very popular dish in China, typically served as a main course. Because of its simplicity to prepare, I decided to take my hand in trying it myself. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 3 tomatoes, 3 green onions, 4 eggs, salt, soy sauce, and a little bit of sugar.
First, crack your 4 eggs into a bowl and beat. Don't forget to add your salt. Next, chop your green onions and set them aside in a bowl for later. After, chop your tomatoes into 1/2-inch wedges. Now oil your wok and put it on high heat. Once it's really hot, you can pour in your beaten eggs. They should stay together and cook evenly, but be careful not to overcook. After this, re-oil your wok and add half of your green onions. They should cook until they begin to brown. Next, we add our tomatoes. After they begin to cook with the onions, you can add a teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of soy sauce to bring out all the flavors. Here, we add our cooked eggs and the remainder of our green onions back and gently fold until everything is reincorporated. Now, we have our final project, 番茄虾蛋.
The great part about making and eating this dish is that it's special to Chengdu. It brings me back to all of my wonderful memories there. It's safe to say that once you visit, you'll never want to leave.